And my other grandfather, he used to, I don't know if you understand, he used to go through neighborhoods, through the backyards, and yell out, "I cash old clothes." Now what that meant is that he would yell out, and these neighborhoods were apartment homes. People would stick their heads out of the windows if they had clothes to sell, and they would come down and sell him a suit or pants or shoes, and he would give them maybe a quarter or a half a dollar or a dollar if it was a suit. You know, sometimes their husbands would die and they would sell all their clothing, and my grandfather would take the clothing and resell it. He'd just walk with everything draped around him, well, on his shoulders, I still remember it, carrying whatever he had to sell. And one day, I remember this to this day because I was in the apartment when he was going through the clothes that he had bought. He found a $5 bill inside one of the suits that he had bought for maybe 50 cents or a dollar, and he was rich. He was able to live for almost a month on that.